Alright, so last night I got this thing moving under its own power. Didn't do a lot of filming right at the end, just because I had the shits and I just wanted to get it done. But got the car moving, starting. Doesn't appear to be any leaks or anything like that. What I need to do is top off the coolant, because obviously we lost some when I took the turbo off. So yeah, top off the coolant. I've got a bit of ducting that I can put from there to there. Strut braces in, and yeah, we'll get this thing running and we'll take it for, I think, an essential shopping center trip so we can buy groceries. Yeah, Pulsar? No. VL? Yes, it's definitely the shopping vehicle from now on. Righto, see you soon.
Drive alone tonight. There is no one in sight. I've got no things to do but to think of you. And I can
sounds absolutely nasty. Absolutely nasty. So some smoke, that's just all the manifold, and just some paint that I put on that dump pipe, but that's all good. Alright, cool. So I've heat cycled it a few times, topped off my coolant, everything's good. Doesn't appear to be any leaks, which is good. Just put this duct on, so I got some air from an airbox from a filter. Not a huge fan of this V-band here. There's like a little bit of a puff that I can just feel with my finger of exhaust escaping, so I might just have to get a better clamp for that, and then try it again. This one's a bit, yeah, it's a bit cheap, but you know, you get that. So it's only one thing to do now, and it's take it for a boost. Alright, cool. So we're just going to take this thing for a boost for the first time. Hopefully it's sweet. Yeah, already sounds different. See how it goes. I haven't touched any of the boosts. I've just got it down on the lowest setting, which I think from memory is about 40%. So we'll see what that does. I've got no idea what springs in the wastegate or anything like that, so I'll just keep an eye on my air fuels and go from there. And yeah, soon hopefully I can get it to the dyno and get it tuned properly. Still got my pump to put in, and I've got the bigger injectors as well, but if I drive around on low boost, this should be pretty safe. So yeah, let's go do some shopping and see what happens. thing is, you should probably put your number plate back on the front of your car before you decide to take it for a test drive. Fortunately, I didn't get pulled over by the police. The other thing is, I now know why they call a screamer pipe, because that scared the absolutely shit out of me when it came on boost. Not sure how I feel about it. So, car sounds sick though. Not used to having this big of a turbo, so it's a bit laggy at this stage compared to the old one, but I can't really make too much of an estimate, considering it's still not tuned. So, and it's only on low boost. But so far so good, and yeah, I'm definitely going to have to plumb back that screamer pipe, because yeah, I don't like that at all. Alright, so I'm going to call that for the video. Got some shopping and stuff to put away, so I'll go do that. And oh, there's a girl over there, and there. Call me VL Turbo? Call me? Nah, not keen. Probably don't even know what one is. Anyway, I'm going to call that for the video. Got some shopping to put away. Yeah, next things to tackle will be plumbing back that screamer so it doesn't scream anymore. Injectors and fuel pump, and then hopefully I can get it to the dyno. Not sure if that's considered essential or not, but we'll see. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.